Very warm good evening to everyone, and I'm wishing you all the very best for your NEET 2021. And I hope that you all are preparing well for NEET 2021. Those who were not able to clear this year, no problem at all. Do your hard work, do everything with the determination, because nothing will work except your knowledge. Fine. See students, I will be starting with the human physiology first, and that too in that unit I will start with your body fluids and circulation. Fine. See students, इस चैप्टर का CBSE as well as in your NEET दोनों में वेटेज बहुत अच्छी है. फाइन. आई विल बी साइमल्टेनियसली एक्सप्लेनिंग कि कौन सी चीज़ CBSE में सबसे ज़्यादा पूछी जाती है और कौन सी नीट में. फाइन. I will be starting with body fluids and circulation. So students, you must be knowing about what exactly body fluids is and what exactly circulation means, because the whole chapter will going to run on this two terms. Fine. The body fluids are nothing but these are the fluids such as your blood, lymph, milk and saliva, which are being produced in the body and then either circulated within the body or secreted outside. I have used secreted outside the body means secreted outside the body urine and your sweat. Fine. Now comes the circulation. Fine. See, it is the continuous movement of the blood vessels, which is maintained chiefly by the action of heart and by which nutrients, oxygen are carried to, and then wastes are carried from body tissue. Fine. See, these two terms, what I've talked about, body fluids and circulation, as I've told you, these are the very important terms. Fine. Now I will be starting with the types of circulation. In NCERT, two types of circulation are given, so you please stick on that two types of circulation. Fine. First is intracellular circulation. What happens in intracellular circulation? See, 70% of water, iron and molecules are present in the composited part. It happens by the distribution of substances through cyclosis of cell cytoplasm. फाइन. ये cyclosis of cell cytoplasm की वजह से होता है. रही बात किन में होता है, तो ये लोअर यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स के अंदर होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्रोटोजोअन्स. फाइन. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट, मोस्टली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन इन CBSE एज वेल एज इन नीट. फाइन. और ये किसकी हेल्प से होता है? साइटोप्लाज्मिक सर्कुलेशन. अब बहुत से बच्चे मेरे से पूछेंगे, अभी तो मैंने साइक्लोसिस ऑफ सेल साइटोप्लाज्म भी बोला और साथ में मैंने साइटोप्लाज्मिक सर्कुलेशन भी बोला. सी बेटा, दोनों चीज़ों में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है, दोनों चीज़ें बिल्कुल सेम है. बट याद रखना, आपको पेपर में किसी भी टर्म से वो पूछ लेंगे. साइक्लोसिस ऑफ सेल साइटोप्लाज्म से भी पूछ सकते हैं, साइटोप्लाज्मिक सर्कुलेशन से भी पूछ सकते हैं, प्रोटोप्लाज्मिक स्ट्रीमिंग से भी पूछ सकते हैं. सो डोंट get confused in between them. These two are the same terms. Fine. See, साइटोप्लाज्मिक सर्कुलेशन की एज सच कोई डेफिनेशन नहीं पूछता, बट येस आपको ये डेफिनेशन पढ़ के जानी है, बी इट नीट, बी इट CBSE, बिकॉज इसके बेस्ड पे कंसेप्चुअल क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे हैं बोथ इन CBSE एंड नीट. फाइन. नाउ कम्स योर एक्स्ट्रा सेल्युलर सर्कुलेशन. इट कंटेन्स anions and cations. It happens in the higher organisms, that is animals. And where does it happen? It happens in the body. Fine. Now what comes? What is the difference? See, basic याद रखना, इंट्रा किस में होती है? लोअर में. और एक्स्ट्रा ह्यूमंस में एंड एनिमल्स में. इंट्रा होती है यूनिसेलुलर में और आपका एक्स्ट्रा होता है मल्टी सेलुलर में. फाइन. Now comes types of fluids. If I'm talking about types of fluids, so I will be asking what is getting circulated. Fine. What is getting circulated in your body? See, first of all, तो कोई भी चीज़ होती है तो बिना environmental conditions के, बिना settlement के तो कुछ नहीं होता. तो पहला तो आपका आता ही क्या है? Environmental fluid circulation. Fine. That is first comes water. For example, sponges and hydra. These two are the examples which I have given and taken because most frequently and most commonly asked question as well as in NEET and both CBSE. Fine. Internal fluid circulation second. This is being divided into three categories. First is blood vascular system, second lymphatic fluid, and then hemolymph. Fine. Now what comes in blood vascular system? Blood vascular system को आप circulatory system भी define कर सकते हो. Fine. open vascular system or closed vascular system. Now comes open vascular system, also known as open circulatory system. In this, blood always comes out from blood vessels, organs or tissues are being dipped into the fluid. अब blood के अलावा जो fluid है उसके अंदर dip होते हैं, fine, and इसमें gases are being exchanged between the blood and tissue, fine. A system where blood and interstitial fluid are allowed to mix in an organisms, fine. Now closed vascular system, इसमें क्या होता है, nerve blood never comes out from the blood vessels. इसमें कभी खून आपकी नर्व से बाहर नहीं आएगा वेसल से, फाइन. और इसमें एक्सचेंज कैपिलरीज के और टिश्यूज़ के बीच में होता है. आई हैव गिवन दी टू डायग्राम्स ओवर. आई हैव गिवन द डायग्रामेटिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन फॉर द ओपन एंड क्लोज vascular or circulatory system, you can say. So you can easily get up into the find what is the difference between them, fine. In NEET and in your CBSE, what is the differences NEET and CBSE? नीट में आपको वो डायग्राम या तो बना कर देंगे, आपको बताना पड़ेगा, या आपको डायग्राम की एक्सप्लेनेशन देंगे तो वो आपसे पूछ लेंगे. लेकिन इन CBSE this question is being asked into 5 marks where you have to draw the diagram and direct 5 marks question, explain closed and open vascular system, you have to show the table, fine. Now comes your human circulatory system. What comes in human circulatory system? What it comprises of? Blood vessels, tissues, blood and lymph and heart, fine. See, human circulatory system consists of 3 independent system that works together. अगर कोई एक चीज़ नहीं होएगी, human can die, fine. Like if I'm talking about heart, it's a cardiovascular system. Lungs, pulmonary vascular system. Arteries and veins are present in that. Coronary and portal vessels, fine. Then also known as systemic. Then the system is and this system is basically responsible for the flow of your blood, whatever nutrients you are taking, whatever gases are exchanging, other gases are taking place, and as well as the hormones which are responsible for secreting your hormones like your endocrine gland, your estrogen, your progesterone, fine, these all are, and from cells also. Now I will be talking about blood vessels. See, in blood vessels I had given the differences of arteries and veins. In next video, when I will make next video, I will be talking about capillaries also. I have missed that part in this video, but no issues, you can do that, okay. See, arteries and veins have 3 layered walls. Arteries and veins have 3 layered walls. पहली outer layer को आप tunica externa कहते हो. This is also known as tunica adventitia, which is made up of fibrous tissue, fine. It provides strength. It is being supplied with the nerve and vasa vasorum. Secondly comes tunica media. What is it? It is a middle layer which is made up of muscular layer, fine. Innermost layer कौन सी है? Tunica interna. Innermost layer is tunica interna. Outer, इसमें भी 2 parts है tunica interna में. Outer elastin layer and inner endothelium. जो आपकी आउटर इलास्टिन लेयर है वो येलोइश इलास्टिन फाइबर है, फाइन. और जो इनर एंडोथीलियम लेयर है वो आपकी सिंपल स्क्वेमस एपिथीलियम लेयर रहेगी स्क्वाड फॉर्म में, फाइन. और अभी मैंने वासा वेसोरम यूज़ किया वर्ड, दैट इज़ ब्लड वेसल्स ऑफ वेसल्स, मतलब ब्लड वेसल्स के अंदर ही और वेसल्स आ जाएंगी, फाइन. एंड if I talk about how these looks like, so I have already shown the transverse section of the arteries and veins, fine students. These actually are sometime what happened in NEET, they were going to give you the diagram and you have to mark the correct answer as they were going to, even sometimes they ask the order, sometimes they give the things and you have to match them, right? And in CBSE this question is again asked in the 5 marks, so you have to prepare for both, fine. Now if I talk about differences if I talk about the comparison between your arteries and veins, see, I am covering very small part, I am going very slow. You please mention everything in your comment box. Wherever you feel that I am wrong, you correct me please, fine. There is no hard and fine rule in that कि मैं हमेशा सही हूँ पर आप गलत. I will be answering your single questions. I will be even reading your comments, whatever you will write, fine. I will be solving your doubts, so fine. See, if I will talk about the comparison between arteries and veins, in comparison in NEET, they will ask you questions so indirectly, but in your CBSE, the direct question is of again 3 to 4 marks, fine, goes for 3 to 4 marks, not more than that. Arteries, see, it takes blood away from the heart. Veins, it brings blood into the heart, fine. Arteries, it carries oxygenated blood except pulmonary arteries. Very important point, remember. Exception is always there. Veins, it carries deoxygenated blood except pulmonary veins, fine. Then आर्टरीज आर डीप अंडर द मसल्स. ये आर्टरीज मसल्स के बहुत अंदर होती हैं, लेकिन कहाँ जहाँ इनकी लोकेशन नहीं पाई जाती वो क्या है, रिस्ट है, नेक है, फाइन. यहाँ पे सुपरफिशियल हो जाती हैं. और वेन्स में सुपरफिशियल अंडर दी स्किन. वेन्स में क्या होता है, ये स्किन के अंडर होती है, जहाँ हमें पता लग हमें दिख जाती हैं एक्चुअली, फाइन. ग्रीन ग्रीन कलर की जिनको आप कहते हो, फाइन. Then comes again arteries. Arteries do not have values. Arteries की कोई values नहीं होती, लेकिन veins की होती हैं, fine. और ये backward flow को prevent करती है, fine. Tunica externa thinner होती है, then इसमें thicker होती है. Tunica media is thicker, here is thinner, fine. These all are the differences you have to learn both for NEET as well as for your CBSE. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डिफरेंसेस. बहुत इनडायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, और CBSE में भी ऐसा नहीं है कि आपसे डायरेक्टली हर चीज़ पूछा जाएगा. दे विल गोइंग टू मेक यू सो कन्फ्यूज कि आपको क्वेश्चन कभी कभी समझ भी नहीं आता और हम वहाँ उल्टा फुल्टा लिखाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. सो इट इज़ माई रिक्वेस्ट टू यू. आई विल बी अपलोडिंग CPPs and DPPs for you, what I have done, what I have solved, what I have gone through, what books I was following. See, you have to do your hard work. I will be uploading each and everything for you people, fine. And thank you so much, thank you so much for listening this lecture. Whosoever feel any kind of problem, you write your doubts in the comment box. I will be solving each and everything for you, fine. Not in comment, I will be writing it in my handwriting, fine. You don't have to worry for anything. It's just you have to complete focus on your studies. Thank you so much, dear students.